Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and choose Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait for the pop-up and select Pair in it. Then you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request. And now, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But if you wish to forget this connection, you can always do that by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!